Hi guys, in last video we studied about the inheritance, and in this video we will start with the polymorphism, which is also one of the important concept in Java. Okay, let's say like polymorphism in Java is a concept by which we can perform a single action in different ways. Means like polymorphism is derived from two Greek words. One is poly and another one is morphs. The word poly means many. Morph means forms. Okay. So polymorphism means many forms. Like one object is showing many forms at different life cycle stage of the compile time polymorphism is also called as a static binding because the method binding will be happen during the compilation only. There is there is no like concept of inheritance in compile time because method overloading can be done in the same class. Okay. Mm. Now in Java, like compile time polymorphism is achieved using method overloading. Okay, we will see one simple example. Like I can take calculator, one real time example. I can say calculator, later. Okay, file and polymorphism. Okay, I will see one example in Eclipse. Okay, I will move to Eclipse. Okay, I will take one new class calculator. Okay, calculator. We'll take main class. We'll create this. Okay, like in calculator, there are like multiple different type of operation we can perform, no? Like divide, multiplication, subtraction, addition. Okay, I will take one of the operation, addition. Here we can do like addition for uh, double, like a double value or a integer value. So like that and float value. We have different methods in the calculator to calculate the addition value. I will take first again, and I will take one method as a public static add method. Mm. Int as a return type first. Okay, I will add int a, comma int b. I will return this a plus b. Okay, I will take another class as a for double for calculating the addition of two double values with the same name. Public static double add will pass two variables a and b int b return type a plus b. But you have to change this double. Okay. So you have to call these methods. First you have to create an object now. So these are static methods we can call directly. So I will call uh, one comma. So we are first we're storing this value in the result, and we are calling again for double values. So I have to pass 1.2 comma 5.2, and you have to store in the double result equal to. Okay, we are calling the two methods, like one method with different parameters. No, let's run the like program and see the result. Okay, program is running, but we have to print this one. Result, result, and also second one, double result one. Let's run again. So we're getting the output as a 6 and 6.4. Like the concept is like we are calling the same method but passing the different type of arguments. This concept in Java is called as a method overloading. This will like compiler will like JVM will decide that method binding will be happen during the compile time only. Okay, and this is one simple example like calculator. Now we will move with the runtime polymorphism. Okay. Okay. Yeah. We have seen what is compile time polymorphism. Now we will study about the what is runtime polymorphism. Yeah, at the name itself suggests like poly. Poly means many, many forms. One object is shown different forms, a different life cycle of the project. Then it is called as a runtime polymorphism. Okay, consider this is as a one object. It is a square. This is as a eclipse. This is as a triangle. Means this square has some common like properties at this stage. Again, it is behaving like a eclipse properties in another stage of the project. Again, it is behaving like a triangle in another stage. This is one of the example we can give in polymorphism. Like one object is behaving differently in different life cycle of the project. We can, yeah, we can see one real-time example in Eclipse. I will move to Eclipse now. Yeah, I already created one program for a runtime polymorphism. I have taken main class as a main runtime example. Okay. Now let's assume one real scenario where we have one bank. In every bank, and they have some fixed. They have different interest rate according to their uh, standards or whatever. And we are taking some like banks as a Canara Bank. We can take SBI, HDFC, all those things. I have taken two banks as a subclass here. I am extending the main like bank class using extend keyword so that we can override the uh, interest rate of the bank's parent class. Then we can override the parent class method and do the implementation of child class. Okay, I already explained what is overriding. If you are not aware of overriding, you can watch my previous video. You'll get the information. Now we will move with the this topic. Okay. Again, I have taken SBI as a subclass where it is extending the bank's, it means parent class. Here, the both parent and child class having the same name. We can observe once. Overriding means we cannot do in the same class. We can do in different class. But overloading is opposite. We cannot do in different class. We have to do in the same class one. Okay. Be clear, like clear this before studying the polymorphism. You have to clear about the method overloading and method overriding. Then only you able to understand this topic. Okay, I have taken two subclasses and extending the parent class, and then I will try to implement like give the implementation of child class. Okay, whenever like I am calling, I have taken a parent class object and child class. Like I have taken a parent class reference, but the child class object. So it is also called as upcasting in Java, means the parent reference child class object so that we can override the parent class methods. Okay. Again, I am calling b dot get interested and passing the value as a 5. And again, to call the second subclass method, I have taken banks B1 as a parent reference and a new SBI as a child object. And again, I am calling the method get interest and passing the 4 as a value. See, I will run once again. You can see the result. It is giving 5 and 0, means it is overriding. See, we have float I rate equal to 7, but it is not calling the parent class method. Instead of that, it is calling the child class methods where it is overriding that method and giving the child implementation. See this kind of like this kind of scenario is called as a polymorphism in Java. I think you understood. Okay, I will give this code in the description. If you want to, you can download it. You can read it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like and share with your friends. Thank you for your support.